Hi guys, today we will be discussing about square roots. Okay, what is a square root? A square root is nothing but say you have say 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter blocks, square blocks. Okay, say you have four 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter blocks. Say imagine you have arranged them in a square type. Okay, to this side and to this side. So 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters. So when you have one by one, right? When you add both this 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters block. So if you have this block, the square root is nothing but the side of this square. That's it. Square root is simply the length of one side of that square. Okay. What is the area of this square? 2 into 2. That is 4 centimeters square. The root is nothing but square root of 4. That is 2. 2 is nothing but the side of that square. So the square, what is squaring? Squaring means it is usually growing. So when you say 2 square, it will become 4. 3 square, it will become 9. 4 square, it will become 16. What about rooting? Rooting means shrinking. Okay. So shrinking means reducing in size. Say square root of 4 means you will get 2. Square root of 9 means you will get 3. Square root of 16 means you will get 4. Square root of 25 means it is 5. So in this way you will get different values for square roots. Okay, so you have some perfect squares. For this you can make these what do you call these squares. Say something like square root of 36 is 6, square root of 64 is 8, square root of 121 is 11. So in this way you have to remember some of the square roots till 400. Square root of 400 is 20. So till here you have to learn. Okay. There one more question I will ask. Okay. Minus 4 into minus 4. That is also 16. Okay. So root 16 means either plus or minus 4. Why? Minus 4 whole square under square root will also give you minus 4. Minus 4 whole square means 16. So, but in exams, whenever they ask root 16 means the straightforward answer is 4. You will always take a positive root only. Unless otherwise they have specified anything, they will you have to specify this positive root. And also square root is nothing but say square root of 4 means 4 to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, square root is nothing but 4 to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, and also you will not have some perfect squares also. Say something like square root 50. How do you write this? You can write it as square root of 25 into 2. So 25 means 5 square into 2. Okay, so this 5 square into root 2. So square and this thing will cancel 5 root 2. Okay, in this way you may not have this. If you don't have perfect square, you will get something like this. These are called surds. Okay, which we will learn in next topics. But just for your idea, I'm just telling this. Okay, so now let's solve some of the problems from your textbook. Okay, square root of 25. Square root of 25 is nothing but 5 into 5. 5 into 5 means 5 square. Is 5. Okay, so square root, if you have only two numbers multiplied by each other under square root, when it comes outside, it will become 1. Okay, so similarly, square root of 121. 121 means 11 into 11 underscore square, it gives you 11. Okay, square root of 0.25. This is nothing but 0.5 into 0.5. That gives you zero point 0.5. Okay, similarly, square root of 100. Square root of 10 into 10. This will give you 10. Okay, we will solve some more problems using fraction. Say square root of 1 by 9. How can you write this? 1 into 1 you can write, 3 into 3 you can write under square root. This means out of these two, 1 will come, out of these two, this. Okay, so if you see this, 1 square by 3 square underscore under square root. So 1 by 3 whole square under square root. Okay, this square and square root will get cancelled and finally you will get 1 by 3. This is how you solve it. Okay, square root of 4 by 9. This also you can say 2 by 3 whole square. Why 2 by 3 whole square? 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. So this 2 and square root will get cancelled and 2 by 3. Okay, say something we will do mixed fraction. 2 7 by 9. 9 first you need to multiply these two. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7, that is 25. So 25 by 9 under square root. So this you can write 5 square. 5 square is nothing but 25. 5 square. 9 is nothing but 3 square. Square square 5 by 3. This is how simple it is, right? So whenever you are trying to find out square root, it is very easy. Okay, say square root of 1 by 100. This you can write 1 by 10 square, 1 by 10. So square roots are so simple. Okay, and using square roots you can also approximate values. Okay, imagine say we have uh, a graph. Okay, something like this. Sorry, uh, something like this. Okay, x-axis, it will start from 0, say 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. I'm just putting random this thing. So 0 square is 0. Okay. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. So here you will have 2, you will have 3, you will. So if you write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here, so you'll have 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8, 9. So you'll have a straight line graph here. Okay. So using this graph, can we approximate the values of something like say square root of 35? What is square root of 35? This is square root of 25 and square root of 36. Square root of 25 is 5. Okay. Square root of 36 is 6. Now square root of 35 would be somewhere in between. So here square root of 35 will be there. So somewhere here you will have square root of 35. That would be say something like 5.8 or 5.9 approximately. So this is how you approximately say from where you will have the square root. Say square root of 45. Square root of 45 will be in between square root of 36 and square root of 49. Okay. So 49, 48, 40, say somewhere here. So this is 7. So it will be between 6 and 7. So square root of 45 would be say somewhere around 6.6 or some 6.7, something like this. Okay. So if you want, you can actually open your calculators and also check them. Okay, you can say what is square root of 45. You'll get say something like 6.708. So okay, so what we said, we have approximately made that value. So in this way, using this graph also, you can approximately say where will be the values of this thing. Okay, thank you. So next lesson we will learn about cube roots. Okay, till then, bye bye.